welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss ReactJs. First of all, we will discuss what is React, how React works, what are the different features of React. Coming to the basic introduction, ReactJs is a JavaScript library. By using this ReactJS, we are building user interfaces. And simply this React is called as a front-end JavaScript library. What is the main purpose of developing this React.js? The main purpose is for creating dynamic and interactive web applications. Who developed the React? Facebook developed the React. And remember, the reactive is a declarative component based library. What is the meaning of this component based library and declarative? Remember, by using React, we are building reusable UI components. UI in the sense, we are building user interface components, and that components are reusable. Such components are designed by using React. And one more, React follows virtual DOM. First of all, what is DOM? Now we will move to what is DOM. Now, how React uses virtual DOM. What is a DOM? Document object model. Simply, you are creating some HTML page. Whenever the page is loaded, automatically the browser creates a DOM for the page. Whatever the page that is visible to you, each and every page, one DOM is created by the browser. How the DOM look like? This is the document. What is the root? HTML tag is the root element. Generally, this HTML, you know the syntax. Two tags. One is head, another one is body. Under head, if you want, you can write the title followed by the given title. In body, you can write any number of tags. For example, anchor tag is there with the attributes href. H1 tag is there. That means what is my syntax? HTML head tag. Within head, if you are writing some title, so close the head. Similarly, body within one H anchor tag is there, one H1 tag is there. Remember, under body, these two are the chase. This is the value, this is the value. Like this, depending upon the tags, a DOM is created for each and every page. Okay. What is the use of this DOM? Next, immediately, what is mean by the virtual DOM? That is the way the React works. How React works? React follows the concept of virtual DOM means. So whenever the page is loaded, one DOM is created. Suppose if you want to do a modification, suppose change the content of H1 tag, or if you want to use one more tag, what you need to do? Again, you need to reload the entire DOM. Even a small modification needs the changing of complete DOM. That is wastage of time. Obviously, the performance is reduced. To overcome that problem, understand? This is the actual DOM. Suppose I want to add some H3 element to this web page. Each actual DOM internally, one virtual DOM is created. Now, for this virtual DOM, we are doing the modifications. Finally, it is converted into the actual DOM. What is the advantage? Each, suppose H3, next time I want to add H4. So directly for this one, you can add. No need to create, update the original. Clear? Before applying changes to the actual browser DOM, we are doing changes to the virtual. Obviously, what happened? Re-rendering reduces. That is, the performance is increased. This is the how React works. And this is also called as single page application. I will show you. Before that, what are the features of React? That is why React becomes more popular. The first feature is the component based. You know what is a component? If your application is very large, divide into multiple components. What is the use of component? If you are creating one component, suppose if it is needed multiple number of times, no need to create multiple. Whenever you want, you can use. So, reusable UI components are created by using React. By using React, and each component have its own state and props. Again, what is the meaning of state and props? We will discuss. In React, the component is one important feature, and state and props, these are the main important things related to React. Okay, because of this feature, React becomes a more popular. Now, so JavaScript uses this type of language, HTML uses this. Similarly, what React uses, that is, you are writing the code. Anyway, React is a JavaScript library. But in React, we are using JSS, JavaScript extension. That means the code is almost similar to HTML. The code is almost similar to HTML with some modification. So what is the reason for modification? Very simple. In React, you are writing some HTML code. Similarly, what is a React? React is a JavaScript library. That is the code related to JavaScript also. And one class is there. So selector, I think everyone know that one. HTML selector is there. That is the selector. One class selector is there. For example, H1 class is equal to sample. What is the meaning? So the class sample, these properties are applied. In JavaScript also, we have the concept of class under object-oriented programming. Now the thing is, if you are using the same class in React, question is whether that belongs to this HTML or belongs to JavaScript. Instead of avoiding that ambiguity, this React uses JSX, JavaScript extension. Here, the class is replaced with the name class name. For example, and also it simplifies the code. Constant name is equal to some Nagaraj. Constant element. This is the way to print. Within flower brackets name, the name is directly printed. This is JSS. And virtual DOM. Just now you understand. Instead of manipulating the original DOM, we are doing the modifications on the virtual DOM. Obviously increases the performance. One-way data binding means in React, the information is traversed from parent to child. You have multiple components are there. Parent component, child component. One-way data binding means the data is transferred from parent to child. That is top to bottom. So data in the sense, the property simply called as props. Performance. Because of this component-based approach, because of this virtual DOM, anyway, the performance of React obviously increased. And the most important thing is by using React, we are developing single page application. What is the mean by single page application? Simply, the page is updated without reloading. What is the meaning? I will show you with one example. So observe here, this is our YouTube channel. Now observe the left panel, left top and the middle panel. Now what is this one here? If I click on videos, observe anyway the reloading happen internally, the external reloading. Here observe the reload, this page is not happened and the left side panel is also not at all updated. Now understand, here I am clicking on playlist. Observe the red color is within the page. This reload is not happened. The left side is not updated. These are called single page application. Now understand what is the advantage? The entire page is not at all reloaded. Whatever you want, that is only reloaded. Obviously, the performance is increased. This is the advantage of React. Now clear? These are the basic things that are related to React. That's the end of React introduction. Thank you.